So in my other videos, I'm sure you guys spotted my old Anvil. It was undersized and had sharp edges, which resulted in scratched metal and stretching rather than compression when the hammer wasn't perfectly centered. When I was brainstorming, I distinctly remembered a moment in one of R. David R's videos where he uses the cut-off base of a dumbbell weight in his personal Anvil setup. Only problem is, I really didn't feel like cutting apart a perfectly good dumbbell. Nope, I'm not doing it. So after some thought, this is the solution I came up with. And it's so much better than what I had before. I started with a 5-gallon bucket, added a few inches of sand to the bottom, placed a 35-pound dumbbell sideways on the sand, and then filled the bucket the rest of the way. I made sure the sand went slightly above the edge of the weight, as well as packing it under the edges. I did this to help absorb more impact near the surface of the bucket. You want to be sure that the dumbbell protrudes at least 2 inches out of the top so that the surrounding edges don't interfere when you're hammering. This design, due to its heavy weight and loosely packed sand, makes for a much quieter experience when working. 97.2 pounds. I also added a little bit of gravel to this top area around the weight, just to make the setup look a little cleaner. My old Anvil was bolted to a wooden table that was also hooked to the wall, and it had no form of shock absorption. I'm sure you can imagine the chaos. Now, if you're a beginner like me, keeping the hammer perfectly centered on the anvil has proven to be a bit of a challenge from time to time, so I wanted to essentially add a set of training wheels to my setup. I picked up a $5 red laser from Amazon, entertained my cat for a little bit, and then clamped it to a dirt cheap mic stand. After centering the hot point, each session of hammering is now no more difficult than a basic game of whack-a-mole. The laser assistance has greatly improved my accuracy and results in much cleaner, more flat impacts as well. So I'm really excited to work on more cymbals using this setup. If you want to see more projects like this, feel free to show your support through my Patreon. And to all my viewers out there, have a great day.